What are parental controls on smartphones?
Parental controls are settings that help parents manage and restrict what kids can do on their smartphones. These controls can block inappropriate content, limit app downloads, set screen time limits, and track activity. The goal is to create a safer digital environment for children. Every major smartphone platform offers built-in parental control features that can be adjusted based on a child's age and family preferences.
How do you set up parental controls on an iPhone?
To enable parental controls on an iPhone, go to Settings, then select Screen Time. Tap Turn on Screen Time and follow the prompts to set up as a parent. You can set content restrictions, limit app usage, filter web content, and prevent changes to privacy or account settings. A passcode ensures only the parent can change these controls.
How do you set up parental controls on an Android device?
On an Android device, you can use Google Family Link to set up parental controls. Download Family Link from the Play Store on both parent and child's devices. Follow the setup prompts to link accounts and manage access. You can block or approve apps, set usage times, and see activity reports, helping you guide your child's smartphone habits.
Can you limit screen time and app usage?
Yes, both iPhone and Android devices let parents set daily screen time limits and restrict app usage. On iPhone, use screen times, app limits, and downtime features. On Android, Family Link allows you to set daily limits for specific apps and overall device use. These features help encourage healthy digital routines and prevent excessive use.
What else can parents do to keep kids safe?
Parental controls are just one part of online safety. Regular conversations about appropriate smartphone use, privacy, and digital habits are essential. Consider monitoring for cyberbullying and teaching kids to recognize online risks. Encourage open communication and frequently review settings as kids grow. Technology and guidance, together, provide the strongest protection